Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be refreshing my bathroom, but first I'm going to create a DIY. So come on with me, guys. Now the items that I'm using mostly came from the Dollar Tree, but the embellishments came from Beebeecrafts. Now below in the description box, I'm going to leave you the link to Beebeecrafts. I'm also going to give you a discount code for 10% off your total order. You don't want to miss going to the site. They have amazing things. Okay, so this bling chain here is absolutely gorgeous piece. You might want to go and check that out, guys, especially with that 10% off. I am going to be using an adhesive glue. So remember, when you're using an adhesive glue, you want to be in a well-ventilated area and allow 24 to 48 hours for it to dry. Now, I'm going to go ahead, leave you to a little bit of music, and then we are going to continue on with this video. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Home Cleaning Motivation, and this is being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now after I wrapped this bling chain around the bottom part of the cylinder vase, the actual embellishment that's going in the front of that did come from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so after I went ahead, let that dry, I am just wiping it down because it is glass. I don't want any fingerprints or anything on it. And we're gonna go get some florals and then head on over to my restroom. Now I am using these beautiful magnolias, and believe it or not, the Dollar Tree was carrying them. Aren't they a nice size? I think the whole thing put together looks absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so we know we're refreshing the bathroom. I'm going to change out the shower curtain. I'm going to change out really just the color of everything in my bathroom is normally like white and beige. So we are going with this beautiful set that my mother had given me a while back. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? I love that bling. So we're going to get that going and then we're going in the bathroom. As in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Also, don't forget to head on over to my community tab where there I have the calendar of collaborations for the month of April. And we have so many wonderful collabs. So upcoming this week, we have the Autism Awareness Month. And that is a freestyle collab where you can go ahead and do and create anything that you would like. You can do a tablescape, a tabletop. You can go ahead and do a tier tray, a vignette. The possibilities are endless. The most important thing is bringing awareness to autism. Now the next collaboration that's coming up is April Showers, May Flowers. And because we're talking about April Showers, May Flowers, we just ask that you place a little umbrella on the table or anywhere or with anything that you're using. Remember, it's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now this shower is already put together, already has the hooks on it. I think it's time to head on over to the powder room. Now my son already took care of cleaning out the bathtub, and I'm just kind of wiping things down mostly to change stuff out. Okay, so here I am. I'm hanging the new curtain, moving that over to the side to get the old curtain down. Now, what I absolutely love about the shower curtain is that it did come with the towel set, so that was really nice. Now this is the best part for me, so we're gonna start decorating. Isn't this swag absolutely beautiful? This was part of my collaboration with Reese Galore, and I created this centerpiece. And it's very versatile. You can move this anywhere in your home, so I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Now here is my beautiful vase that we decorated using Beebeecraft items. Don't forget to head on over to that website because you will not be disappointed. Again, the link to Beebeecrafts will be in my description box along with the discount code for 10% off. Make sure and use it. It's Grace 10. Let's head on over to the reveal. So guys, Guys, what do you think? This is absolutely gorgeous as far as I'm concerned. I love it, and I hope that you do too. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.